Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix phone link app not working not opening on Windows 11. First method is reset and repair phone link app. Second method is run PowerShell command. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.